Hello viewers, welcome to Africa's Academy. Today we are going to start with exercise 2.2 of class 8 mathematics, that is linear equation in one variable. This exercise is statement based and we have to interpret the sentences, form an equation and find the value of variable. So the first question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So we have to find the number. So let's assume the number is x. Okay. So if we subtract 1 by 2 from x and multiply the result with 1 by 2, we get 1 by 8. So this forms an equation. And we solve and we try to get the value of x. So this become, multiplication has got precedence, so we can write this equation as x by 2, okay, minus 1 by 4. This equals to 1 by 8. 2 into 2 4 minus, so this become minus 1 by 4, and this equation gets simplified into this form. And we go ahead, so we can write x by 2 is equal to, separate this, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, correct? So x by 2 is equal to, common denominator is 8 here, LCM, and we get 1 plus 2. Okay, this turns into x by 2 is equal to 3 by 8. So x is equal to, this get cross multiplied, 3 into 2 by 8. This equals to 3 by 4. That means we get the value of x as x is equal to 3 by 4. Correct? Let's move on to next question. So question is, perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So suppose we take breadth is equal to x meters. So length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So length is equal to 2x plus 2. Perimeter is 2 into, this is nothing but length, and this is nothing but breadth. Okay, 2 into length plus breadth. This equals to 54 meters. Okay, so we get an equation in this form. So let's solve it. So we can make this, we open this bracket, or you can solve this, we solve the bracket, inside the bracket first, it will be more easier. We'll get perimeter, that is 154 is equal to x plus 3x plus 2. 2 multiplied by 3x plus 2. Understood? So we get the value as 154. Perimeter is equal to 6x plus 4. Okay, so we get the value as, we can write this way. So we get 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. That means that is equal to 150. So we get the value of x as x is equal to 150 divided by 6. Correct? So x is equal to, this is 6, we take 350 by 2, that is 25. Okay, so what is x here? X is nothing but breadth. So breadth of the rectangular swimming pool is So breadth is equal to 25 meters. Okay. So what is the length? Length is equal to 2 into 25. Length is equal to 2x plus 2, that is 2 into 25 plus 2, that equals to 52 meters. Correct? So breadth of the rectangular swimming pool is 25 meters and length of the swimming pool is 52 meters. Understood? Moving on to the next question. Base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15, that is 62 by 15 centimeter. We have to find length of remaining two equal sides of the triangle. So let's x be the length of the equal sides of the isosceles triangle. So what equation do we get here? Perimeter is equal to x plus base 2 into length of equal sides plus base. So we get this equation. Let's solve this. So we can write this as 62 by 15 is equal to, this is common denominator, that is 3, and this is 6x plus 4. Correct? This can be written as 62 into 3 is equal to 15 into 6x plus 4. Okay, this made 186 is equal to 90x plus 60. Okay, so we get 90x is equal to 186 minus 60, that is 126. Okay, so we get x is equal to 126 divided by 90. We solve this, so we get the value of x as, we can divide it by 3, so we get 442 by 30, again by 3, we get the value as 10 here, and here we get 3, sorry, 1, 2, 12 by, that makes, sorry, this is 2, 14, so 14 by 10, that makes it 7 by 5. So you get the value as x is equal to 7 by 5. That is the length of two equal sides of this isosceles triangle. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Sum of two number is 95. Okay, sum of two number is 95 and one number exceeds the other by 15. So let's one number be x, so the other number will be x plus 15, and sum of these two number is 95. Correct? So we get this equation, and this is very simple, and we can solve this equation as x plus x, 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. Okay, so we get the value of x, 2x is equal to 95 minus 15, that is 80. So we get the value of x as x is equal to 80 by 2, that is equal to 40. Okay, so one number is 40 and another number will be 40 plus 15. Correct? That makes it 55. So first number is 40 and the second number is 55. Understood? So the next question is, this is question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So let's take this number as 5x and 3x. So if we write 5x divided by 3x, x and x get cancelled and we get this ratio as 5/3. Okay. Now 5x is bigger than 3x. So as per the question, these two numbers differ by 18. So 5x minus 18 is equal to 3x. This forms our equation. Let's solve this. So we'll get this as 5x minus 3x is equal to 18, correct? And we get it as 2x is equal to 18 and x is equal to 9, correct? So what are the numbers? So the larger number will be 5x, that is 5 into 9, that makes it 45. Okay, this is the first number. And another number will be 3x, that is 3 into 9, that makes it 27. So the other number will be 27. Understood? Moving on to question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. We have to find the integers. So let's first integer be x. The second consecutive integer will be x plus 1 and third will be x plus 2. Understood? If we add all this 3, x plus the next number, that is x plus 1, after that the next number, that is x plus 2, we get 51. So this forms our equation. Let's solve this. We get x plus x as 3x. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 51. That means x is equal to 51 minus 3, that is 48. So 3x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 divided by 3, that makes it 16. So we have got the first number 16. What will be the second number? X plus 1, that is 16 plus 1, that makes it 17. Okay. The next number will be x plus 2, that is 16 plus 2, that makes it 18. So we got the 3 numbers as 16, 17 and 18. Understood? Moving on to question number 7. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. We have to find the multiples. Okay, 3 consecutive multiples of 8. So let's the first number be x. So the multiple will be 8x. Second consecutive number will be x plus 1. Its multiple will be 8 into x plus 1. Third consecutive number will be x plus 2. Its multiple will be 8 into x plus 2. Understood? When we add all these 3, the value we get is 888. So we have to find the value of all these 3 multiples. Okay, so let's solve this equation. We have got it in this form. So we can write it as 8x plus 8x plus 8x as 24x and 8 plus 16, that is 24. This equals to 888. Okay, so we get 24x is equal to 4 and 6 and 8, that is 864. 24 888 minus 24 is 864. So we get the value of x as 864 divided by 24. We use table of 12, so we get 2 here, and let's see, we get 2 again gone, that makes it 3 and 6, 36. So we get the value of x as 36. Okay, now we have to find the multiples. Okay, the first multiple will be 8x, so 8 into x, that is 36. That is 288. So first multiple we have got as 288. Second multiple is nothing but 8 into x plus 1, 36 plus 1, that is 37. Okay, we get the value as 296. Correct? So second multiple is 296. Third multiple is 8 into 38. Correct? And we get the value as 304. Correct? So 3 multiples we have got as 288, 296 and 304. Understood? Moving on to the next question. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken up in increasing order and multiplied with 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. We have to find the integer. So, the first integer is x, the second consecutive will be 2x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. The next one will be x plus 2. They are taken in increasing order. That is, if we multiply first one with 2, second one with 3 and fourth one with 4, they add up to 74. So we have got this equation, understood? So let's solve this. So this becomes 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to plus we'll take 3 plus 8. Okay, we get 2x, 3x, 4x add up to this, and this is 3 and this is 8. This makes 74. Okay, so we get this value as 5 plus 9x, correct, is equal to 74 minus 11. This equal to 63, correct. So we get the value of x as x is equal to 63 divided by 9. That makes it this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 7. We get 7. Okay, so we get a value of x as 7. We have to find the integers, correct. So first integer will be 2 into x, that is 7, that is 14. All right, sorry, first integer is x. We had multiplied this with 2. Okay, so I stay corrected here. So first integer will be x, that will be 7. Second integer will be, they are consecutive, so x plus 1, that makes it 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, second integer will be 8 and third integer will be 7 plus 2, that is 9. Correct? So we have got the integers as 7, 8 and 9. Understood? Moving on to question number 9. Ages of Rahul and Harun are in ratio 5:7. 4 years later, sum of their ages will be 56 years. We have to find their present age. Okay. So the common factor will be x. So present age of Rahul will be 5x and that of Harun will be 7x. 4 years later, Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4 years and that of Harun will be 7x plus 4 years, and when they are added we get 56. Correct? So let's solve this equation. So you get 7 plus 5, that is 12x, plus 8 is equal to 56. That makes 12x is equal to 48 and x is equal to 48 divided by 12, that is 4. Understood? So what will be Rahul's present age? It will be 5x, that is 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Okay, this will be Rahul's age. Okay, and Harun's age will be 7 into 4, 7x, that is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. That will be Harun's age. Clear? Moving on to question number 10. Number of boys and girls in a class is in ratio 7:5. So if we take common factor as x, we get the ratio as of 7x and 5x as 7:5. Number of boys is 8 more than that of number of girls. So of course boys number is more, so number of boys is equal to number of girls plus 8. 8 more than that of girls. So we have got the simple equation. Let's solve this. 5 comes here, so 7x minus 5x is equal to 8 and we get 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. So what will be the number of boys in the class? That is 7 into 4, that makes 28. This equals to the number of boys in the class. Okay, and 5x, that is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. That is the number of girls in the class. Okay, understood? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Okay, so let's assume Baichung's age is X years. So Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So his father age will be X plus 29. His grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father. It is stated that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than that of grandfather. So Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father, correct? So we add this up, add their age, Baichung's age plus Baichung's father's age plus Baichung's grandfather's age, and we get 135. Okay, so this is the equation you have to solve to find the value of x. So let's go ahead with x plus x is 3x plus 58, 20, 84 is equal to 135. That means x is 3x is equal to 135 minus 84, that is 51. So we get x is equal to 51 by 3, that is 117. Okay, so x is nothing but Baichung's age. So Baichung's age comes out to be 17 years. Okay, so what will be his father's age? His father's age is, Baichung's father's age will be 17 plus 29. That equals to 46 years. Okay, father's age, Baichung's father's age. Grandfather's age will be, 17 years plus 29 plus 26. Okay, that will be 72. Yes, okay. So Baichung's grandfather age will be 72 years. His father's age will be 46 years and Baichung's age will be 17 years. Moving on to question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Okay, so Ravi's age is x years now. After 15 years, his age will be x plus 15 years. That will be equal to 4 times his present age, that is 4x. So we have got this very simple equation. Let's solve this. So we get the values as 15 is equal to, s goes here, 4 minus x, that is 3x. So we get the value of x as 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So present age of Ravi is 5 years. Correct? Understood? Moving on to question number 13. The question is, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Okay, so let the number be x. When you multiply with 5 by 2 and to it add 2 by 3, we get this. So this is a formed equation. Let's solve it. So here it will be 5x by 2, okay, plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. Okay, so we get this as 5x by 2 is equal to minus, this goes here, we get minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. This equals to 12 is common denominator, and we get minus 7 here and minus 8 here. This adds up to 15 minus 15 by 12. Okay, so we get this equation as 5x is equal to minus this 2 multiplies with 15 minus 30 by 12. Okay, so we get x is equal to minus 30 by 5 and into 12 here. So we get this as, this goes minus 6 and here is 12, that is again 6 goes 1, here is 2. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Understood? Moving on to question number 14. So Lakshmi is a cashier in the bank. She has currency note of denominations of 100, 50 and 10. Okay. The ratio of number of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. So let's the common factor be x. So the number of notes of 100 will be 2x, 50 will be 3x and 10 will be 5x. Understood? Now another parameter which is given that total cash Lakshmi is having is 4 lakh rupees. Okay. So how many notes of each denomination Lakshmi has? So these are actually number of notes we have got. Okay. Now total cash will be 2x is the number of notes of rupees 100. So 100 into 2x. Okay. This is the amount of rupees 100 note. We add up to total amount of rupees 50 note, that is 50 into 3x. Again we add up to this total amount of rupees 10 rupees note, that is 10 into 5x. Okay, and we get a value as 4 lakh rupees. Okay, now let's solve this equation. Here we got 2000 into 100, sorry, we got 200x plus this is 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Right. So we get the value as 50. So we get as 400x is equal to 4 lakh. So we get value of x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400, that comes out to be 1000. Okay, so we got x as 1000. So what we have got to find? We have to find how many notes of each denomination does she have. So rupees 100 note, 100 rupees note should be having 2x, that is 2000. Okay, 50 rupees note 3x, that is 3 into 1000, that is 3000. Okay, and 10 rupees note should be having 5 into x, that is 5000. Understood? Clear? Let's move on to the final part of the exercise. Question number 15. I have total of 300 rupees in coin of denomination 1, 2 and 5. The number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times that of rupees 5 coin. So total number of coin is 160 and we have to find how many coins of each denomination I have got. Okay, so if x is the number of rupees 5 coin and then rupees 2 coin will be 3x, and we add this up, and if we total number of coin is 160, so rupees 1 coin will be 160 minus x plus 3x. Okay, and total I have got how much? Rupees 3. So if we add up, that is total amount. So we have to form an equation. So total amount in 5 rupees coin is 5x plus this is 2 into 3x, okay, plus this is for rupees 1 coin, so 1 into 160 minus x plus 3x is equals to rupees 300. So we have got this equation. Let's solve that point. So directly I'll write it here. So 5x, I've got 6x, 11x, and here 4x, 3 plus 4 minus. So here we have got 11 minus 4, that is 7x is equal to, I'll take 160 here. So 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, that comes out to be, then x is equal to 140. Okay, divided by 7, that comes out to be 20. So we have got the value of x as 20. And what is x here? X is number of coins of denomination 5. So this is 20 is rupees 5 coin. Okay, and rupees 2 coin will be 3x, that is 3 into 20, that will be 60. So rupees 2 coin will be 3 into 20, that is 60. Okay, and rupees 1 coin will be 160 minus 20 plus 60, that is 80. So this comes out to be 80. So rupees 1 coin will be 80 number. So you got 5 rupees coin as 20, 2 rupees coin as 60, and 1 rupee coin as 80 number. Understood? Let's move on to the last question. There's an essay competition, and winner, total participants is 63, and winner gets an amount of rupees 100 as prize, and those who doesn't win will also get prize, and it will be rupees 25. Okay, so the total amount which has been spent in prize is rupees 3000. So let's find the equation. So this is the number of winner. So amount of money which has been given to the winner is 100x. Okay, plus 25 is the amount which is given to the number of people who have not won. So that is 25 into 63 minus x, and this amounts to the total amount of prize money, that is rupees 3000. Okay, so let's find the value of x here. We have got 75 here, x. Okay, 100 minus 25, 75x is equal to 3000 minus 25 into 63. Okay, so we get here 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575. Okay, this equal to nothing but 1425. So we get the value of x is equal to 1425 divided by 75, that comes out to be at 25, we get a 3, we get here as 57, 5, okay, 57 by 3, this equals to 19. Yes, correct. So x is equal to 19. And what is x here? X is the number of people who have won the competition. What we have got to find? Find the number of winners. So number of winners, that is x, is equal to 25. This completes our exercise 2.2. Keep practicing, and thanks for watching.